Bonjour classe, voilà les nouvelles notes pour cette unité. Remember that you have your two options. If you're able to print, then you already printed this note sheet. And what you're going to be doing now is copying down the English, which is on the right-hand side. Or if you're taking notes by hand, then you need to make sure that you have the left already copied down into your notebook, and now you're going to be doing the right. What I would suggest is that you pause the video right now so that you can copy down all of the vocabulary that you need. And then when you are ready, restart the video, and I will have moved the screen so that you can see the rest of it, and then we will go through pronunciation. So pause the video now to copy down vocab. Et voilà la reste. So there is the rest of it. So again, I would pause the video, copy down the rest of the vocabulary, and then when you're ready, press play again, and we will go over pronunciation. Okay, class. Alors, maintenant, pour faire la prononciation, what's really nice here is that we have orange is going to be féminine and vert is going to be masculine or masculin. So if you printed in color, great. If you did not print in color, I would highly suggest that you have an orange and a green highlighter, orange and green colored pencils, something so that you can also note that. When you're taking notes, it's really important that your notes are not all the same color. If they are, you're just going to look at that piece of paper and be like, oh mon Dieu, ça, c'est la même couleur. And nothing's going to pop out to you. So that's why I suggest that. If you're handwriting, then obviously I suggest that you use the orange and green to write the articles in front of it right away. Super. All right, so maintenant, classe, nous pratiquons la prononciation. So let's go through pronunciation. I will répète. I will speak and you will répète après moi. Super. So classe, répétez. Un jean, un pantalon, une jupe, un short, une robe, un costume, un t-shirt, un sweat, un pull, une chemise, un chemisier, des chaussures, des baskets, des sandales, des chaussettes, un manteau, des pyjamas, des gants, une écharpe, un chapeau, une ceinture, les lunettes de soleil, un sac à main, un portefeuille, un maillot de bain, une bague, un bracelet, un collier, des boucles d'oreilles, les vêtements. And now we're going to get into some questions and answers. So, répétez classe, quelle taille? Petit, moyen, grand? Est-ce que tu voudrais? Je voudrais. Combien coûte? C'est en solde? Comment tu trouves? Oops, I just noticed that 2 is incorrect. I will fix that. Hopefully it will be corrected on your sheet. C'est à la mode, chic, beau, belle, laid, laide, moche. And then finally we have the verb porter. Yeah. So, quelque chose, and then ce vidéo va être finir. So notice a couple of interesting things here. We have the word for shirt and blouse. So shirt is a button-down male shirt, but notice what's interesting, the word is feminine. Then the lady's blouse, same thing with buttons, is in the masculine. So that's just something intéressant, and I find peculiar, but c'est très français. So we have une chemise and un chemisier. Prochaine chose, Ici, with les lunettes de soleil, if you just wear glasses like I do, then glasses are just the first part, les lunettes. Sac à main, hopefully you remember from last year, sac à dos. Your sac à dos was your backpack, dos meaning back. Now we have purse or handbag. So un sac à main is your word for hand. Ici, un maillot de bain. Really, the only people who say un maillot de bain are women. Men, you just normally say un maillot. And this one has to be probably the hardest one that everybody has issues with pronunciation for. So let's try that one again. Des boucles d'oreilles. Ça va bien? Ici, combien coûte is a great question. It doesn't have to be followed by anything. So you can just say combien coûte, and you're holding something up in a store, and they'll answer you. But you can also put in like, combien coûte ce bracelet? How much is this bracelet? Or combien coûte cette ceinture, etc. Ça va bien? All right, and then here, these are only a couple of adjectives that I have for giving your opinion. And then remember, your note sheet is going to have this correct. So I'm going to go in right now and correct that for us. And so do not write down TO. Hopefully you have written down TU for you. Ça va bien, classe? Alors, merci beaucoup. Au revoir.